Lucy's got a special boyfriend, Dave. Where's Dave, Lucy? Where's Dave? Oh.
Dave.
Sit.
Sit. Lucy.
Oh, she
Lucy.
sits.
Lucy.
If there's a treat
Sit.
on offer.
Sit.
Sit. Might be a treat, Lucy.
I haven't got any, darling.
Oh.
Wait. No, I don't think.
Oh, she's being obedient. Good girl. Doggy heaven today. All these nice doggies, Lucy. Hello, Dave. Hello. He's 5, this Labrador. He's a Labrador.
Retriever.
Labrador Retriever. Sunset looks lovely. Say hello, Lucy. Lucy is nice. She's not very loyal. Hey, Lucy. Yeah. Yes, good girl, Lucy. Good girl. That's a good girl, Lucy. You got a new friend, Lucy? Have you got a nice friend to play with? Here he comes again. Yeah! Good play. She's loving it. Good girl. What a lovely sunset tonight. Don't frighten it, Lucy. Lucy, don't frighten him. Hello, Titch. Hello, Bobby. You're a good girl, boy. Be gentle, Lucy. Be gentle. She's a bit boisterous this morning. This is Bobby, who's from the same dog charity that Lucy's from. He's a bit more gentle than Lucy.